Soon, we will transport, install and protect almost 2,000 kilometers of cable in the German North Sea and Wadden Sea. We will do so on 4 similar projects for our client TenneT. By bundling these projects into one portfolio, we can work more efficiently and we can invest in specialized equipment. This is necessary to work in the shallow and environmentally protected area of the Wadden Sea. To minimize our impact here, we invested in 3 dedicated cable lay barges, and we rebuilt our shallow water burial vehicle Sunfish, which you can see behind me. Because the Wadden Sea is too shallow for conventional vessels, we use 3 connected barges to install the cables. Each barge is equipped with a cable carousel, allowing us to install 3 cables simultaneously onto the seabed. Next, the Sunfish buries the cables. Instead of using cutting, it uses a vibrating plow to minimize the disturbance. And despite its size, it has a lower ground pressure than that of a walking human. This allows it to work with the environment rather than against it. That is how we deliver complex offshore projects, with respect for one of Europe's most unique natural landscapes.